grab some nuts.
Your mum, she's really nice.
If you ask me out one more time, I swear.
Before you say anything else, I've got a little song that I wrote for you.
No, get out.
Okay, here we go. My love, come to me from heaven above. Meant to be together, me and you forever. Here's a Snickers bar, just for you. My love, grab some nuts. My love, here's a hug.
Dad!
Okay, I'm going. But one more thing. Will you go out with me?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, bye. See you at college. Hey.
What's up, mate? How are you?
Good, man, good. I asked that Isabel again.
Did she say yes this time?
No, but I do feel like she's warming up to me.
Mate, this is the 4th time.
She has not said no 4 times.
Alright, remember last week?
Will you go out with me?
The week before that?
Will you go out with me?
And the time in October.
Oh yeah, that one was my favourite.
Come on, mate, you deserve way better.
Nah, I like her.
Let's stop talking about this. Come on, let's just go for lunch.
Lunch, yeah. Hey, Isabel.
Hi Zach.
Hi, Isabel.
I was wondering if you wanted to go to a movie with me on Saturday.
I don't know, maybe. See what I'm doing.
Hello, what am I, invisible? It's still daytime, you should be able to see me.
Darren, I'm black tea.
Oh yeah.
Great, I'll see you then.
I hate to break it to you, but I think Isabel likes me.
No!